Hi everybody, welcome back. And today I'm actually going to make my favorite today. I think I've been doing too many of the kids' favorites. So today's my day, and one of my, I would say, ultimate dishes when I go out or even at home is prawn toast. Yes, simple, easy dish, but really does put a smile on my face any day. So all the ingredients are in the description below. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd love to hear back from you. All those guys and people who've been messaging me, thank you very much, and I will respond back to them. But do keep following me and get the latest updates and find out what I'm up to. Okay, so it's very simple. I've got some prawns that are deveined, deshelled and deveined. And I'm going to keep that bowl because I'll put everything back in there. And again, all it is, we're just going to put everything together and just blitz it. So I've got some spring onions. I'm using a whole egg. If you don't want to use a whole egg, you don't have to. You can use just the egg white, entirely up to you. Minced ginger, garlic, sesame oil, and some soy sauce, salt, pepper, and some chili flakes. Now, chili flakes, again, are optional. I just feel that it just creates that little bit of zing and that spice. So I'm going to now blitz this until it becomes an absolute paste, and then I'll show you what they look like in a few minutes. Okay, so welcome back, everyone. I've given my mixture a nice blitz, and it really just is a paste now. So I'll give you a quick look at a glimpse of what it looks like. If I just put it on the side, it literally is just a paste. That's it. And that's how it should be. What I'm going to do now is pop this back into the bowl, cover it with a cling film, and let it rest for about 15-20 minutes in the fridge, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. I'll see you in about 15-20 minutes. Welcome back, everybody. So it's been about 15-20 minutes, and my prawn toast mixture has been resting nicely. It smells really nice. But what we need to do is basically now take some white bread and use the white bread as our toast itself. So now it really does depend on the size of your toast. I'm going to just slice mine in half. If you have larger toast, I mean, my toast is 3 inches by 3 inches, and that's not very big. However, it's the bread that was left over in the fridge, so I'm using just whatever's left over at home. If yours is slightly larger, then cut yours into 4 triangles. So I'm just going to cut mine into 2 triangles. One bit of advice, stale bread does taste nicer on this, and that's because it will hold its shape. Whereas if it was very fresh bread, it might become very stodgy. And that's it really. The ratio for paste to toast is about 1 teaspoon. So all we're doing is now just taking 1 teaspoon and literally just covering the toast on one side. Now, I'm going to cheat here, and I'm going to say, because I like prawn toast very much, I'm going to use 1.5, because there's nothing nicer than having prawn toast. So usually it's about one teaspoon ratio to a slice of toast or a slice of bread. And what I'm going to do now is first lay them all out, and then I'm going to cover them with sesame seeds. So just to show you how this process is going to work, once I've put enough mixture on there, I'm just going to take this and lay this on top of the sesame seeds. Now, we only want to do this on one side. So gently press and gently lift, and it should look something like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to carry on with the process for the next 2, 4, 6, 7 more slices, and I'll see you back in about 10 minutes and ready for frying. See you in a minute. Right, welcome back, everybody. So my prawn toast are ready. Taking a bit of time. However, they look really nice. Not ready yet. So come over to the hob and I'll show you how to fry them. Right, welcome back, everyone. So my pan is on the hob. The temperature of the oil is around about 180. And when we fry our prawn toast, they go face down. That meaning the sesame seed part goes face down. So I'm just going to pop one in there. there's about 1 to 2 centimeters of oil, and we should cook these around about 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown, and then we'll turn them over. Right, I'm going to have a go at turning them over. There we go. I'll do the same with this one. Right, I think they look ready. I'm going to now take them out. And best if you put them in some kitchen paper to drain off, just to show you what the other side looks like. They're nice and golden brown on the other side. So let me finish off the remaining prawn toast, and I'll see you back once I'm finished. Welcome back, everybody. So prawn toast are done, fried off. I did make 10, 7 are gone, 3 are left. So I thought at least I'll try one out. 7 are gone is in the sense the kids have taken them, so that doesn't leave me with much. So really nice and crispy. The crunch and the taste, absolutely divine. I've got some sweet chili sauce here. You know what? Try it out, let me know how it went, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.